Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add a subpage to your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace on Microsoft Loop first. After that, select the page you would like to go with and simply click into these three dots here and select New Subpage. And that is going to add the subpage to your page. Now you can move it to a different page with your left mouse, change the location, click into it, fill it with content, give it a new title like Subpage 1, and treat it as any other pages in your workspace. Like give it commands here in the text field, and you may even add a new subpage through that menu. Simply type in the command / and then select New Subpage, and that is going to add another subpage to the subpage. And that's how it works, guys. You may also navigate through these subpages here. You will see a workspace, then the page or the main page, the upper subpage, the lower subpage, or level 3 in this case here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.